Welcome to the sweet and sassy.
Wait, I got the good one. The one on the next video. Welcome to the sweet and a little bit sassy channel.
Hey guys, welcome to the sweet and a little bit sassy channel. And today we are gonna get another surprise. I can't wait.
Hope it's not another squishy.
Okay, so what should we do this time?
We can wait for the prize before we can close our eyes.
Close our eyes again?
Let's count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Close your eyes.
Okay, let's open ours. Okay, let's count to 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
Wait a minute, there's only one. Oh, maybe we could both open it together. But a wrapper first. Somebody to open it.
I never saw this purple egg before.
Oh,
It's Orion Toys Review
I
egg.
found a big blue one. And look at the rhino there. Ryan.
Okay, so this is from Ryan's World.
But there's a logo on there.
Okay.
Wait, a part 3? Part 3?
Yeah. Okay, so it says includes one putty, one.
Wait, let me see on the back. Wait. There's one putty, flicker, tattoos, stickers, mystery, characters.
Mystery putty. So it says get one of 12 possible micro figures, mystery figure with accessories, get one of 12 possible mystery stickers. Wow, they're just all mysteries. And then mystery tattoos with mystery putty.
Oh, how bizarre both hair colors.
This is a mini egg. Okay.
Maybe there's 2 pennies.
Oh, says you can collect them all. Let's open it.
Oh, when we get all of these ones?
I guess so. Let's open it.
Wait, let me help you.
Okay, yeah, you can help me. Let's see. Let me try. Hold on.
Oh, we got super strong.
Okay.
Okay, I think I'm doing it.
Can I help?
Sure.
Yeah, let me try this part. Oh, there's a little like zipper thing right there the whole time. We could have easily just opened that.
Oh, yeah.
Here. I'll take some of it off and then you take the rest off. Okay, and then pull it off. Yeah.
Oh.
Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4 layers.
Whoa.
So that means 2 for each of them, 2 for us. Okay, so which one do you want to open first? This one? Okay, you open it first. You can do 2 of them.
Wait, we still like this.
Want some help? Or do you want to karate chop it?
Karate chop it?
Okay, here, I'll hold it.
Whoa, wait,
Oh,
open
you
this
open
one.
the middle. Okay.
Wait, I want to see this one. What? This is a big sticker. Oh, I want this one.
So first, let's see what we got. So we got
Wait,
2 tattoos,
let's see what we get.
the Ryan's logo, and I think Red Titan, and a picture of Red Titan. I think it might be a sticker. Okay, and this should be a mystery figurine. Let's see which one we
Wait,
got.
this isn't the color. Wait. Oh my gosh.
You could get Gus the Gummy Gator.
Yeah.
Which one do you want out of all of them?
Oh, Combo Panda Ryan.
Okay, let me see. So she wants the Combo Panda Ryan.
And what ones easy one. I can see the black hair.
That's a lot of things.
But I don't know what a t-shirt is.
Let's open it up. Okay. Here, I'll tear it for you, and then you can open it.
Who's inside?
Okay. Hold on. Okay, ready? Here, put your finger here. 1, 2, 3. Pull. Whoa!
We got, Mom, do you buy this one already?
We
We
got
have a little one.
another red Titan.
Wait, no. I think we can play 2 Titans.
Yep.
That's
okay.
funny.
So it has
Okay,
a red cape. Wait.
Let's go and drop it this one. Robbie, drop it. Whoa! There's another one.
Okay.
That's in the middle. Wait, that's accessories, I think.
Yeah, maybe it's the accessories.
Wait, maybe it's the same one.
Okay. Let's try to open it. Find out. Whoa!
But
I didn't notice this.
wait, this is the other one had. This is the other one had.
Okay, I didn't notice this. But in the packet, when we were opening this one right here, it's a dumbbell. It says 1,000 pounds. Okay.
Okay, crawl and drop it.
Wait. I would do that one. Okay? Because you did those two. You can help me.
Okay.
Okay, I'm not looking. You open it. Go ahead.
Okay.
You think it's accessories? What?
Little tiny Ryan.
We got a little mini Ryan with a little mini cape. Here, show that one.
And guys, I have 2.
That's so cool.
Yeah. Let's help you do the other one.
It looks almost exactly the same, but littler. Okay.
Okay, let's help Lena do that other purple one.
Okay, can you karate chop this for me?
Karate chop it.
Here, let me try.
Okay.
Karate chop. Nope, not working. Ow! Whoa! Whoa!
We got Putty.
This is the mystery putty. What color do you think is inside? I think maybe
Wait,
purple.
Mom. Mom still have more
More one.
other mysteries. Wait, we got all of them off.
Yeah, you just chopped them off.
Oh.
Karate chop.
Karate chop. Hey.
Okay.
Let's see inside here.
I think this putty.
Karate chop. Chop.
I think this putty is purple putty. What do you think it is?
Blueberry is blue.
Blue putty. Let's see. What? We got red putty.
Wait, let's see. We got.
Wait. Whoa, we got some crazy red putty. Whoa. Hold on.
Wait, I'm gonna help you.
Okay, hold on.
That looks like gummy.
It
Right.
kind of does look like a gummy or something.
I want you around, but we can't eat it, right?
Yeah, we can't eat it. Well, this is kind of hard to get out. Hold on. Wait, here, yeah, pull that. Wait.
And now it looks like a stretch. Wait,
Kinda
it looks
does.
like slime. Wait, no, look.
Whoa.
Looks like slime, right?
It looks pretty stretchy. Okay. So we got most of the slime out.
Let's twist.
A lot of it out. Okay.
Twist.
So we're gonna get half and half.
Twist.
There you go. So that's how it looks. It's so cool. It's red putty, so we were wrong. But still cool. Love it. Okay. Favorite part about this. the tattoos, the stickers, the mini Ryan, the big Ryan, the big Titan Ryan,
And
or the
two-
accessories.
This one.
You like?
And also the egg.
Oh, you like the egg and the big Ryan? Well, I think my favorite part was the putty and the tiny Ryan because it's just so cool.
Wait, my favorite one is the gummy. I didn't mean putty. Hey, wait, this looks like slime, and when I stretch it, or it looks like candy when I do like this. Looks like it, guys. A candy.
We had so much fun today with all this Ryan stuff in this Ryan egg. And I can't believe I never saw this egg before.
But it looks like a gummy.
Yeah, it does kind of look like a gummy. Let me see. Let's check it out.
We're gonna stretch, and squeeze. Looks like our toy's going to eat these candies. That's why we get 10. These are candies. So yeah. Like, I want the candy. I want a candy. Okay. Beautiful. Yum, yum. I stuck it, puppy. Hey, look, it looks like a big sunglasses.
So we got a lot of Ryan stuff, and it was pretty cool.
Wait, what's the next sunglasses?
You give this, Jayla, do you give this 1 thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, or no thumbs up? Me too. I give this 2 thumbs up because it was pretty fun. And the thing I love most of all is probably the buddy. So cool. It does kind of look like a gummy candy though. Don't eat it.
Mm-mm.
So that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed. And remember, this is the Sweet and a Little Bit Sassy channel. Go subscribe.
No, it totally is a video.
Like, and also ring the notification bell so you don't miss a video. Why would you want to miss these kind of videos? I know I sure wouldn't. So go ring the notification bell.
But we can watch our videos on TV, right?
Yeah. See you in the next video. Bye.
Bye bye. I can feel the robot. It's going to be my best friend. Bye.
Bye.
No. Yep. Patty. Yep. Wait, I can move. Yeah. But I can't see.
I hope the viewers enjoyed this video. How about you, little Ryan?
Me too.
Whoa, I'll help you.